fields and plains. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Joy to the world. Joy to the world. Joy to the world.
Ay, ang galing! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome to Win Today, guys. Pag makilala po tayo isa-isa, starting from you, kayo po ay mic lang po natin.
Ako nga po pala si Jean Leonard Afable Tumaog.
Jill Leonard. Okay. Jean Leonard. Okay. And then?
Hi, I'm Rika Ganzon.
Rika Ganzon. And?
Hello po, I'm Kenneth Gonzalez.
Kenneth Gonzalez.
Hi everyone, I'm Sesho Pangilinan.
Sheshwa, parang pagkain ito? Chinese food? And ikaw, be?
Hi, I am Camille Juanites.
Oh, hi, Camille. And then?
Magandang umaga po, Ed Estrada po.
Ay, ikaw ang baho. Nag-iisa, pero talagang lutang na lutang. Ang base. And you are?
Hello everyone, my name is Camille J.P. Sebastian.
Ay, Camille. Naku, ang daming Camille. Camille Joy Sebastian. And?
Good morning po, ako po si Edward Compra.
Edward. And we have here?
Good morning, I'm Mary Ann Vecino.
Mary Ann.
I'm Norbert Pineda.
Nax naman. At lahat po kayo ay mga Tomasino. Meron pa isa, ayaw niya magpakilala. Ay, hindi po, hindi ka kasali? Sige, ayos-ayos po tayo. Tawag dito. Okay, matanong ko lamang, welcome, thank you for giving us your time for today. Ate, lapit ka doon kasi baka maikli lamang po ang ating range ng camera natin. Okay, so 2016 pa kayo nag-umpisa. Sinong may pakananan lahat? Sige, Norbert.
Actually, it was originally formed by the members of the UST Action Singers, headed by our executive musical director, si Nobel Gabasan.
Wow, tapos?
And then from that time, nag-perform kami sa Idaho
Oh, wow.
for an invite choral competition.
Agad-agad?
Yeah.
2016 kayo natatag. Pagkatapos, agad-agad meron ng engagement sa Idaho, USA.
Yeah, in the same year, we were also invited sa Macau Cantata. And then, from that point on, across the Americas na kami at saka Asia.
Wow naman! Ang tindi ng network. Agad-agad, merong mga performances. Pero paano kayo pinagsama-sama lahat? You are already graduates, you are already professionals. Yung mga younger version ba, graduate na rin? Ayan.
Yeah,
Yes,
well, actually,
Norbert.
this is a choir that's composed of mainly alumni of UST, mostly mga conservatory of music. But we opened up to everyone, yung mga friends who are actually interested and have the passion for choral singing.
Wow, may audition ba naganap?
Well, yes, meron naman.
Talaga?
Siyempre, they have to be qualified.
Ay, talaga? Tanungin ko nga dito. Jean, kamusta naman ang experience mo sa pag-audition? Hindi ka ba medyo, yung mga younger generation mo na mga ateng, ha? Kuya nga, sandali lang. Yung hindi ba kayo parang nervyos pa, baka mamaya, hindi ako worthy.
Minsan po kinakabahan, pero I got to live up to the expectations of other people.
Talaga lang. Ilang taon ka na ba kasama ng TCC?
1 year po.
1 year pa lang. And how's the experience?
Sobrang saya po.
Sobrang saya. Bakit masaya?
Kasi po,
Puro kayo jokes, gano'n. Ba't masaya, Jeep?
kasi po na-experience ko po yung na-experience ng mga ka-choir ko po.
Anong na-experience nila?
Na kumanta po sa iba't ibang lugar po.
Ay, nakakasama ka na. Yes, Rika, do you feel the same?
Yes po, actually masaya talaga kasi hindi lang yung pag-share mo ng talent mo sa ibang tao, yung band din po na nabubuo as a choir.
Wow! May parang iba kayong barkada, ganyan.
Yes.
I didn't get your name, kuya.
Kenneth,
Si Kenneth. O, ikaw, Kenneth. Ilang taon ka na dito sa TCC?
1 year.
1 year. Pati ikaw, Rica,
Yes.
1 year. At sabay-sabay ba kayo nag-audition?
Yes.
Bakit mo naman naisipan mag-audition?
Kasi po,
Lapit ka na konti, kuya.
junior high school, parang po gusto ko na po sumali ng choir po.
Talaga ba? Ano-ano na bang choir nasalihan mo?
PNHS Glee Club po and TCC Tomasio. Tapos sa mga simbahan din po.
Mahilig ka talagang kumanta.
Yes, po.
Ba't di ka sumali sa tawag ng tanghalan?
Ay, wala pa po.
Ay, wala. Ito si ate, what's your name? Cecil. Yes, Cecil. Camille, sorry. Camille, 1 year ka lang din?
6 years.
6 years na? Parang namang inutusan ka lang bumili ng suka sa kanto. Baby face ka, Camille. 6 years. 6 years. Anong mga pinaka-memorable experience mo as a member of TCC?
First po is yung bond po namin tuwing rehearsals. Kasi po yung members po, they were like our second parents.
Second
Doon po yung guidance po nila and yung mga
Guidance.
concerts po na naganap po.
Guidance. Matanong ko dito sa mga nandito, sino yung pinakamatagal na narito bukod ka sa 6 years? Para ikaw, Ateng. Nasa
Parang bigla ako na pag-ano.
Si Szechuan.
Guilty.
Parang si Szechuan, tama ba? Wala
Cecil or Cecil.
Sesha. Okay. Cecil Pangilinan.
Yes.
Ilang taon ka na sa TCC, if I may
Ever
ask?
since it was started.
Since 2016.
Yeah. And beyond that.
Until now.
Until now. Yeah.
What can you say about what Camille said na yung guidance para daw kayong mga pangalawang magulang? Totoo ba?
Yeah,
Bakit
yeah, it's very
nangingialam ba
true.
kayo sa mga...
Oo, sobra.
Talaga?
Pakilamera kami. Yung mga seniors, pakilamera talaga kami. Oo.
How do you do that? Kasi iba ang mga kabataan ngayon.
Correct, very true. Yeah, oo.
Diba? Iba rin naman kanilang
Mindset.
mga mindset, kaisipan, etc. So, paano approach ninyo na hindi naman mas intrusive?
Yeah, oo. Actually, since we know most of the members are Gen Z, we kind of gel with them.
Wow.
Oo, parang yung mga trip nila, tinitrip din namin, di ba? Parang we go together kasi it's very hard because of the, alam mo na yung agwat ng edad, di ba? Pero yun, so as much as possible, we kind of control our emotions as well. Kasi alam mo naman tayo yung sa mga batch natin, ano?
Ay, mas
medyo
matanda ho
controlling. We kind of be controlling in a nice way. Diba? Siyempre, we kind of really care for them. Like for example, pag rehearsals, pag umuwi na sila, we kind of check on them kung nakauwi na talaga sila. Oo.
may
We kinda-
ganun.
may pagkaklingi kami ng konti.
Okay.
Ganun
Kasi
kami to that extent. Oo.
being older,
Leaders.
Leaders, tawag dito kayo ang mananagot sa mga magulang nito.
Correct. Very true. Very true.
Okay. Okay lang ba sa inyo na pinapakailaman kayo?
Guidance.
Guidance. Okay, dumako naman tayo sa pagkanta. Siyempre, ang mga seniors ay merong guidance sa pagkanta. So, paano natin sila, tawag dito, pinapractice? Meron bang, or number one, another question would be, meron bang personalidad ang TCC na sa inyo lang? Talagang
Distinct.
yes, distinct of you as a group. Do you have that?
Well, actually, firstly, they have to have the same passion and compassion for the group. Kasi regardless of age, we share the same notes singing together. So, just guided by the values of the university as we know it, diba? So, nandun yung we think kasi singing is like a prayer, diba? praise twice, diba?
Yes,
So
praising
parang
the Lord.
ganun yung ano namin. Yung,
Andun yung religiosity.
yes. Kasi
Ah, okay.
singing is like a prayer times 2.
Yes, that's right.
We kind of not limit ourselves in joining competitions and festivals. Parang like now, we're singing sa Mount Carmel every second and fourth.
Okay.
12:15.
Sa
Mass.
church, sa
Yes,
church.
Yes,
Yeah,
every
oo,
second
oo.
Sunday of the month.
So we kind of diverse our tawag dito, our scope. Para hindi limiting.
Hindi lang pang competition.
Giving back.
Pang community rin.
Yes.
That's
And of late, we were invited by the Consulate of Hong Kong and the UST Alumni Association in Hong Kong to sing in December for the group and for the OFWs of Hong Kong.
Wow, ang galing.
And next year, we will be competing in Barcelona.
Ay, kung
for a
may
choral
competition
competition,
naman
yes.
ang lahat na ito. Saan kayo? Siyempre, kailangan natin ng anda rito. Dito. Funding. Paano na? Saan tayo kukuha ng budget?
That's the reason why we contacted. Because we want to spread the awareness that we are here and we want to call the attention of everyone who wants to be serenaded by our group. Because that's the proceeds of those performances will be used as funding for whatever travels and accommodations we may have. So we're calling all the alumni of UST and all the corporate companies around who can actually invite us for a performance or two.
Ay, oo. Para magkaroon naman ng budget ang mga hindi lang kasi sabi nyo nga, hindi lang ito pera-pera lang eh. Ito ay nagbibigay din kayo ng karangalan hindi lang sa UST kundi sa buong Pilipinas. Diba? Dahil meron kayong mga kompetisyon na kumakatawan kayo sa ating bansa. Ay, galing! Ano-ano nga yung kompetisyon na ito?
The one in Barcelona sometime in July is a choral competition, international choral competition.
Galing! Paano kayo nakakasali sa mga competition?
Basically by reputation with other groups and yung musical director namin is quite in the international scene. So alam niya yung mga nangyayari across the globe.
Talaga? May mga sa may industriya talaga?
Yes. He's actually based in Hong Kong. His name is Noel Gabusan.
Sino? So you don't see him often?
He visits us periodically to check on, because most of us are actually voice tutors.
Wow.
Kasi ng mga graduates sila ng voice, conservatory. So we kind of fend each other's quality by rehearsal and practicing. And then si Nobel will come in to check the
Kamusta
harmony.
naman ang pressure? Pressure pagka may kasi kailangan natin magandang mental health, di ba? How do you handle pressure within the group, especially pagka may competition na dadating?
That's when the more seasoned and pioneering members would
Katulad ni
come in.
Cecil.
Oo. Kasi the guidance that we provide for the members would actually lift their spirits to be at par with the competitive spirit that's required of them.
Cecil, ano usually ang concern ng mga younger groups?
Well, syempre, budget, transportation going to the rehearsals, that's something else,
Saan ba kayo
right?
nag-rehearse? Sa UST rin?
So UST Central Seminary tsaka alumni building.
Cent building.
Sa seminary.
Tawag dito, budget
Sa pamasahe, sa pagkain, syempre.
Hindi pa kayo subsidized ng university?
Rehearsal room lang.
Well, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. Hello, Sir Rector, Father Rector.
Tama. Isigaw mo dyan.
Hindi kasi,
Isigaw mo.
sumasali kayo, dala-dala ang pangalan ng Tomasino,
Yes.
Tomasian Chamber Choir, kahit man lang pamerienda.
Tama.
Father.
In fairness, we're in the process of getting an accreditation.
Naku, magdai, isang dekada na kayo, ngayon pa lang ang paproseso. Ano ba yan? Makakanok. Pinagalitan no? Pero of
In
course,
his time yan, in his time.
Oo na. Sige, tama naman. In his time. Pero tawag, it's about time. Ganyan. Okay, so you still have a song for us, another one. Pag Christmas na naman kasi yun lang ho ang pwede nilang kantahin. natin para marinig ka natin sa radyo at sa live streaming natin sa YouTube. Once more, ate, naku si conductress hindi nagsasalita, napaka-timid and shy. Pakinggan po natin muli ang Tamashon Chamber Choir.
In the air, oh, heart of power, racing the sun, darling and dim, tied in a tune. Hear the ring while people sing songs of the cheer. Christmas is here. Ding dong, ding dong, that is song we jump for this long. Ding dong, ding ding. On the descent on below and there you go to every home.
Wow! Very good! Thank you guys for coming over. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Meron ba kayong tawag to ipa-plug na shows? Diba? Pakiulit lang, Norbert.
Yeah, we normally go to the at mass. We sing at the mass of Basilica of Mount Carmel. And yun nga, this December we will be performing in Hong Kong at the invitation of the Philippine Consulate and the UST Alumni Association there, performing before the OFW. So we would like to seek the help and assistance for them to allow us to serenade them from here on, so that we can actually save up for the trip and the trips for next year.
Paano makikipag-ugnayan sa inyo for interested
we have an
people?
FB page, Tamashon Chamber Choir, so you can just message us, or I will be knocking on their doors.
Okay. Solicitor General. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Norbert, Camille, Cecil, Mary Ann, Kenneth, Edwin, Jean Leonard, Rika Marie, Camille Joy, Edward, and Maria Isabel. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta. And good luck sa inyong mga singing competitions and performances abroad. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Merry Christmas in advance.
Merry Christmas too. Galing. Very good. Kan po magbabalik sandali lamang.